Welcome. This is a sitnext.com video on enabling near-field communications, or NFC, on your Apple devices. NFC is built into many modern smartphones, tablets, AirTags, and smartwatches. Remember, for NFC to work, both devices involved in the data transfer or transaction need to have NFC capabilities, and NFC must be enabled. Please take a moment to click the like button, subscribe, and get notified on the latest technology and cyber threats by subscribing to our channel. In this video, we learn how to enable NFC on an iPhone. Enable NFC on an Apple Watch, AirTags, and for app clips. NFC is automatically enabled when you set up Apple Pay, which can be accessed in the Wallet app. iPhones from the iPhone 6 and later have NFC capabilities. However, Apple's NFC functionality is primarily used for Apple Pay and not generally available for other uses. NFC is not supported by any models of iPad. To set up NFC via Apple Pay, follow these steps. First, open the Wallet app. Next, tap the plus button in the top right corner. Follow the instructions on the screen to add a new card. Once you have added your card, Apple Pay is set up and NFC is enabled. If you want to read AirTags with an iPhone, you can do so using an NFC reader app available on the App Store. From iOS 14 onwards, you can use the NFC tag reader function in the Control Center. App clips are actions your phone can perform when it reads an NFC. App clips cause an app to perform an action on your phone without you having to download and open the entire app. For example, you can use App Clip to rent a bike from a bike rental kiosk or order a meal from a restaurant without having to download the company's full app. Enabling NFC on an Apple Watch. On an Apple Watch, NFC is enabled automatically and is primarily used for Apple Pay. You can set up Apple Pay on your Apple Watch through the Apple Watch app on your iPhone. Here's how you can do it. Step 1. Open the Apple Watch app on your iPhone. Step 2. Tap Wallet and Apple Pay. Step 3. Follow the prompts to add a new card. If you've already added a card to Apple Pay on your iPhone, you can add it to your Apple Watch by entering the card security code. Step 4. Tap Next. Your bank or card issuer will verify your information and decide if you can add your card to Apple Pay. If your bank or issuer needs more information to verify your card, they'll ask you for it. After you provide the information, go back to Wallet and Apple Pay and tap your card. Step 5. After your bank or issuer verifies your card, tap Next. After that, you can start using Apple Pay and NFC capabilities on your Apple Watch. Please remember to give us a thumbs up below, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and get notified on the latest tech, innovations, and cybersecurity threats and insights. Visit us at sitnext.com and sign up to our newsletter for exclusive information, tips, and benefits.